Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be working on the Coupe budget build again, the Cheap Civic Build. I'm going to be fitting the EK9 headlights. If you can see that in the background, it's got the stock silver surround headlights. If you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing and hit the bell, because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building this particular car up. It's my budget build EM1 Civic, so it's the B16A Civic EK Coupe if you like. But yeah, this is the Cheap Civic Build that I'm doing on the channel alongside my EG build. So we'll crack on with that now. I've already popped the bonnet, as you can see. I'm going to get the bumper off, get the headlights out, and then I'll pull the freshly refurbished headlights, which I did previously on another video. I'll be popping them in today. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be getting these little tags out on the top of the grille, and then just there on the edges of the bumper there's also a bolt that goes into the top there through to the wing, and hopefully I won't have to take it completely off. So there we go. As you can see, there's one bolt that goes through this little locating hole here, and I've just wrapped a bit of tape just around the edge of the bumper there, just so it doesn't hit the wing. I've also taken that little push plug out, little push pins that you have along the top there with the grill, and a little push pin along there. The old grill used to screw through the top of the bumper there. The new one just slots underneath this little lip here. But yeah, I've just put a little bit of tape either side of the bumper just to stop it from scraping on the wings as I'm manoeuvring the bumper just to get the headlights out. Now the headlights themselves, they have two bolts across the top. One just on the side here, so that's actually to the headlight, if you can see that bracket there going to the headlight. And another just there on the inside. So next job then, headlights off.
A few moments later.
So I've undone all the bolts on both headlights. I've pulled the left one out, pulled the connectors out after removing the headlight. It just gives you more room to get your hand behind, especially on this side where the aircon is and everything. So now everything's loose, two at the top like I say, one on the side, one just down here. So they're all out now, and I'm going to try and pull it out. Success and no bumper damage. I should have really put tape across this edge of the bumper, but I've not damaged anything, so that's fine. So just here is probably where you want to put tape, to be honest. Yeah, looks weird without any lights. Looks soulless. About as bright as my future. So here are then the EK9 headlights up front, obviously, and the EK4 / any Civic EK facelift headlights behind. But as you can see, the stock ones have got like a nice chrome finish. Very silver. The EK9 ones that were fitted on the Type R have like almost like it's got like a pearl sort of flake to it. There we go. Sort of see it. But yeah, I think they'll look pretty cool. Next thing then, get them thrown in that.
This is a Cheap production.
So as you can see, it's looking a bit meaner now, but I just wanted to show you that I'd left the top two just up here, just left them two loose, and also the one on the side loose down there, if you can see that. There you go, just in the centre of the screen. So I've left them loose on purpose so I can adjust how it fits the bumper, you know, how flush it fits. But yeah, it's definitely looking a lot more like an angry kitchen appliance now. Damn, like it looks so good already. It's starting to look more like an EK9 now. I need to get the bonnet closed and see what it looks like. I just really like the contrast on the, especially on a silver car. Like back on like days of like Gran Turismo and stuff, I'd always get like a silver EK9. But yeah, I'm gonna get the bonnet closed now. So good. Oh, it looks so cool. That does actually look so cool. Like, I think I just need now like the small registration plates, maybe a bigger front lip. It'll be money. So I'm probably going to call the video there. Please give us a like and subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.